Introducing the Avaya 9608 and J129 IP office phones, the future of desktop communication technologies for Lawrence Technological University. One of these two telephone units will replace your existing desktop phone. Let's take a look at some of each phone's basic features. We'll start with the 9608 model. To call another extension at the university, pick up the handset and dial the 4-digit extension. To use the speakerphone, press the speakerphone button and then dial the extension. To call an outside number, dial 9, then the phone number, including area code. When someone calls your extension, the telephone will ring and the red indicator light will flash. To answer, either pick up the handset, press the speakerphone button, or the headset button if a headset is equipped. You may also choose to ignore an incoming call or send the caller to your voicemail if a mailbox is set up for your extension. The Recent Call button will illuminate red when a call has been missed. To review recent missed calls, outgoing and incoming calls, press the Recent Call button and use the arrow keys to scroll through each list. To return to the main screen, press the Phone button. The Phone button will return the display to the home screen from any other menu location. Similarly, the Message button will also illuminate when a new voicemail message is waiting in your inbox. To review a voicemail message, press the Message button. Select Listen, then Play to hear your new message. Audio file versions of each message are automatically sent to your LTU email address for listening through your web browser. There are several functions available during an active call. Most simply, you can mute your microphone. When pressed, the mute button will illuminate, and the caller on the other end will not be able to hear you, though you will still be able to hear them. You may place an active call on hold by pressing the Hold soft key. This prevents either party from hearing each other, and the caller on the other end of the line will hear Lawrence Tech's hold music loop. Press the key of the line being held to resume the call. You may redirect a call to another extension. With the caller on the line, press the Transfer soft key. Then enter a 4-digit extension. Press the Complete soft key to complete the transfer, or remain on the line to talk with the person who answers the phone at the new extension, then press Complete. The caller will hear hold music until the transfer is finished. Similarly, you may add another extension to an active call. With the caller on the line, press the Conference soft key. Enter a 4-digit extension, then press the Conference soft key again. You can also send an active caller directly to another extension's voicemail box. With the caller on the line, press the Message button. Then enter the 4-digit extension and press Select. Press the DND line button to silence incoming calls and automatically direct them to voicemail if your mailbox is set up. To deactivate the Do Not Disturb function, press the DND key again. You can also forward your calls to other extensions. Just press the forward line key. Type the extension your calls should be forwarded to, and then press Save. Finally, the 9608 contains a full directory of staff and department extensions for the university. To access it, press the Directory key. To search for an existing university contact, just start typing the name of the person or department you wish to call on the keypad. You can also add your own contacts to the directory. In the directory, press New, then type the name of the contact you are about to enter. Press the down arrow key and enter the extension or phone number. Remember, if you are storing an outside number, you must include 9 and the area code in your contact entry. Now let's look at the J129 model. To make a call to another extension, pick up the handset, then dial the extension. Press the Dial soft key or just wait a few seconds and the phone will dial automatically. You may also use the speakerphone by pressing the speakerphone button instead of picking up the handset. To view missed and recent calls, press Recents. Use the up and down keys to scroll through the call list. To dial the contact on the display, press the Call soft key. To check your messages, dial *17. Follow the voice prompts as you enter your extension and password and listen to your voicemail messages. A few actions can be taken during an active call. First, you may mute your microphone by pressing the Mute key. You will still be able to hear the other person on the line, but they won't be able to hear you while mute is activated. You can also place a call on hold by pressing the Pause button. To take a call off hold, press the Resume soft key. To transfer the caller to another extension, press the transfer soft key. Enter a 4-digit extension and press call. Press complete to connect the caller with the extension you dialed. If you hang up without pressing complete, the caller will remain on hold. Similarly, you can add an additional extension to an active call by pressing the conference button. This again places the active call on hold. Dial a 4-digit extension and press call. Wait for someone to answer, then press join to connect all 3 parties. Finally, the J129 features a custom directory you can use to store numbers you want to have handy. Press Contacts to access your directory. To add a new contact, press New. Type the contact name with the number keys. Press the down button, then enter the extension or phone number. Remember to include 9 and the area code for numbers outside the university. Press Save when finished. For more information about your phone, review the quick reference guide delivered with it, or contact the help desk.